Yes, we are. In the Bible, we live underwater in a boat. And the boat is
submarine.
In a submarine, yes.
A yellow submarine?
A yellow submarine.
You all live in a yellow submarine.
A yellow submarine in a boat, in a submarine under the ocean.
Well, do you understand the irony in that even if you try to keep things, you say I'm not going to crack you, even if, I don't crack you or, you're trying to discover things about yourself, people watching this will make assumptions about you and will draw their own conclusions.
There's nothing to crack. I am not into people I don't sit and discuss people. I discuss ideas and concepts. So there's nothing to crack.
But who comes up with ideas and concepts?
Well,
individuals, people.
You want to discuss the algorithm I'm building? I mean, that's
let's hear about the algorithm.
That's interesting. These are the things I discuss. I don't sit here and discuss movies or sports or what actor did. I don't have an interest in that. I just